Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from AndroDollar.com, and Gearbest sent me this magnetic car mount from Baseus that you can use to attach your device to your car magnetically. So this seems to be a pretty interesting product. So let's go ahead and unbox this. The link to purchase this is down below in the description. But before that, let's go ahead and unbox this and see what comes inside the box. And then let's go ahead and hop into the car and try this one out. So if you are new to my channel, definitely go ahead and hit on that subscribe button right now, and let's get started with today's video. Alright, so this is the box for the magnetic car mount holder from Baseus, and without wasting any more time, let's directly break this up and see what is there inside this box. Keeping the contents of the package aside for just a sec, having a look at the back of the box, we see some information about the product, and at the front we see a big picture of the product itself, and it mentions that 2 cables can be fixed to this car mount. On one side we have features of the product, and on the other side we have some color options. Keeping the box to the side, now let's have a look at what comes inside the box. The main thing here is the Baseus car mount itself. This is the part that will attract the magnet. Also along with it, we get a leaflet about the wireless charger for the iPhone 10 from Baseus. If you are interested in that, you can scan this and pick that one up. Next we find the most important thing inside this pouch, and those are the magnets. We actually find 2 magnets with this. One is black color and the other one is silver color. Both of them have Baseus branding in it, so you can use either one. Both of these have 3M stickers, so you can easily stick it to any device that you want. Since it's having a 3M sticker, you should be able to remove it later on if you want to as well. So yeah, this is what you get with the magnetic car mount holder from Baseus. Now let me show you guys how to apply this onto your device. So I will be using my iPhone 10 for this demo. First you need to get the magnetic clip that you want to attach and peel off the 3M tape so that you can stick it onto your device. Now you get your device, in my case it will be the iPhone 10, and now I just need to place that sticker on top. If you want, you can place this holder on a case as well, but I will be placing it on my device itself so that I can use it with any case that I want. Pro tip, there's actually a protective film on top of this, so get rid of that before you actually start using this. Now getting into the car, it's pretty easy to set this one up. You can just place this on any of the AC vents. It will just slide on in, and after that you can just place your device on top of this part, and the magnetic part will actually get attached pretty easily. You can rotate this any way you want, and you can easily attach 2 cables with this car mount as well. As you see, the base only sticks to the magnet, and if you try to actually place it somewhere else, it will not get attached. So when you're placing the device, just make sure that the magnet and the base are actually aligned so that you won't face any issues. Overall, this seems to be a pretty decent and budget option if you are looking for a magnetic car mount. I will have the link to purchase this down below in the description from Gearbest itself. Thanks to Gearbest for sending this package out so that I can check it out. Well guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, definitely go ahead and smash that like button, and you can go ahead and purchase this Baseus car mount if you are interested from Gearbest. The link for that will be down below in the description. And stay tuned to AndroDollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. And in case if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now so that you won't miss out on my future coverage. If you are interested in tech videos, definitely go ahead and check out my channel for all the other videos that I have made. And definitely follow me on social media for all the behind the scenes and updates as well. All the links for that will be given down below in the description as well. Well guys, with all of that being said, until I talk to you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.